Even the putting green is closed today. So you can see they are doing interior work. It looks like the gentleman in front of you has drywall stilts on. He's doing drywall work. Here we are, friends. Welcome. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. This is another update video. We are at the Cordoba Recreation and Postal Center. And you know what that means. This is an update video of these courtyard villa homes that they're building here in the northern part of the villages. I did 2 prior videos at different stages of building these homes. As I mentioned in the other videos, these are 25 new villa homes they are building just off of Morse Boulevard here in the northern part of the villages. And you can see these homes have come a far way since the first video that I published. You can see that most of them have their roofs on, and they are doing interior work now. I know some people have asked me if these homes are already sold, and I did do some investigation. I asked a few people. Somebody told me that they are already sold, and somebody told me that you need to contact the sales office to determine that. So I'm not sure. I did not call the sales office. I would recommend, if anybody's interested, to call the village's sales office and find out if any of these homes are still available for sale. I'm just walking around the other side to give you a better idea of what these homes look like. This is a championship golf course that these homes are on. I believe it is the Hacienda Championship Golf Course. You can see these homes have come a long way. It is Tuesday. It is October 15th. And I do have 2 prior videos that gives you an update of what these homes' statuses were. The first video, these homes, I only had, most of them only had the foundation in. And the second video, they were putting up the tilt walls on these homes. And the third video, they were installing the roof trusses on these homes. And here is the 4th update video. As I mentioned, they are building 25 new homes, and this is the former site of the Hacienda Hills Country Club. And the story is that the developer wanted to replace the old Hacienda Hills Country Club. Originally, the developer was thinking about replacing the Hacienda Hills Country Club with apartment buildings. And there were a lot of residents that were upset about it. And eventually the developer decided to put 25 new homes here and build a smaller version of the Hacienda Golf Club over there. You can see that. So the original building was a full-blown country club. It had all the amenities of a country club, and that was located right here on this site. And they tore that down, and over a period of a year or 2, they decided to build these homes. Here's a home that has a swimming pool. Right there, swimming pool. These homes were built with tilt wall construction. The developer owns a manufacturing plant that makes these walls out of cement. And they bring them walls on a truck, and they placed the walls on top of the foundation. Here's another home. It has a swimming pool going in. Right there. So you can see they are making very good progress. As I mentioned in other videos, all of the golf courses are closed due to Hurricane Milton. This is no exception. This championship golf course is closed. You can see they are watering it to manage the retention pond levels. Even the putting green is closed today. So you can see they are doing interior work. It looks like the gentleman in front of you has drywall stilts on. He's doing drywall work. Thank you for liking my videos, and thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate that. There's your swimming pool there. Imagine sitting on the deck by your swimming pool, overlooking that, friends. How gorgeous is that? So this is the new Hacienda Hills Golf Club building. This is quite a bit smaller version of what they used to have. They used to have a country club, and now it's only a golf club. Leave in the comments below what you think of these new homes. Looks to me like they all have the same asphalt shingles on them. That's interesting. Talk about looking for a uniform look. There's a gentleman over there using the driving range, or the driving nets, I should say. How gorgeous is this? Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I really do appreciate it. Leave in the comments below if you'd be interested in buying one of these homes, if they're available. And right now I am not sure if they are available, friends. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. I hope you enjoyed this update video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Leave comments below. Thank you, everyone. Take care, have a safe week.